I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the parts, now start wiring. Insert the LDR and a fixed resistor into the breadboard to form a divider. The midpoint is your sensor signal. Once in place, run that midpoint through a 10K base resistor into the NPN transistor base so the transistor only toggles when light falls below threshold. Next, position the LED on the collector with a 221K omega resistor to limit current. Make sure ground rails are common and power is stable before proceeding. Once wired, tune the switch point. Replace the fixed resistor with a potentiometer or swap values until the LDR divider produces about 0.7V at the transistor base when the room is dark. Use a multimeter to observe the base voltage while covering the LDR. Make sure the LED lights at the intended darkness and stays off in bright conditions. If the LED chatter occurs, add a 100 NF capacitor across the supply and another 100 NF between base and ground to smooth transitions. Finish by securing components in an enclosure and positioning the LDR so it senses room ambient light, not the LED itself. Use a small aperture to prevent feedback. If the LED is dim when it should be bright, verify supply voltage and try a lower series LED resistor or a higher transistor beta device. Alternatively, increase base resistor to reduce leakage. If the circuit flips unexpectedly, add hysteresis via a comparator or a simple positive feedback resistor to the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.